Hello folks, and welcome to Blackjack Motorcars LLC. We're located in Brandon, Florida, right near the intersection of Florida Highway 60 and Interstate 75. Our phone number is 813-340-0918. We work by appointment for your convenience. Morning, noon, weekends, whenever you see something in inventory, you want to take a look at it, give us a call and we'll make it happen. Want to show you a truck today. We've been toy shopping, have a couple of these. We have a nice GMC short bed here, and we'll have another video posted soon with another GMC long bed. It's a 1990. Folks, the truck's been completely gone through. Has a crate engine in it, 350 Chevy crate engine that only has 2,200 miles on it. Transmission redone. Been lowered a little bit with nice 20-inch rims. It's got a beautiful pearl paint job on it. Brand new tires. Has some chrome trim down on the bottom below the belt line there. Truck runs great. Has a road gear in it with the overdrive transmission. This thing just goes effortlessly down the road at highway speeds. Beautiful bed on it. It's a step side bed, as you can see. Great shape. Dual exhaust. See the bed in here? Just absolutely gorgeous. I think this has been a play truck all its life. I don't think anything's ever been in that bed, to be honest with you. Got chrome trim around the wheel wells. All the rubber is nice. Again, new tires. Take a look in the interior. Really, really nice interior with leather seating. Nice door panels, electric locks, electric windows. Has a great digital dash. I'm going to come in here and see. Hopefully I can show this to you a little bit. This dash lights up. And let's see here. Patience, please. You can see right there, everything's digital, real nice. Crank the engine up a little bit so you can hear the tone of these mufflers. Get an idea what she sounds like. That's great exhaust on it. Oh, it's got a brand new Reese hitch towing package on it as well. Down under here, that's brand new. Just a great runaround truck. A great toy. Has a Sony AM/FM Bluetooth receiver in it back here. There's the remote for it. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Just a great truck. It's priced right. If you like it, give us a call. Come and see it at 813-340-0918. And as we say at Blackjack Motorcars, come see us, folks. You'll never go bust. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.